What's up, guys? NJLightningBolt back with another video, and today we're back finally with tornado survival, and that is a creeper behind me. Amazing. Well, yeah, we're finally back with tornado survival. It's been a while. We're gonna goal today, get the house finished, because I just made this basic. We're gonna make it better. And we have an F3 tornado already. Great. Also, the green screen screwed up too, so this is just starting off great. But yeah. Let's just hop into this video. Alright. So, as you can see, the camera, we're kind of like changing it up. Got like a rectangle going on instead of like the green screen thing, because it's just not cooperating today. So, what did we do last time? So, probably should just start off by getting some wood. Yeah, that'd be the best thing. So I need to get some food. Man, I'm not recorded a Minecraft video in forever, so I don't even know what I'm doing. Alright. Get myself properly moved in, get the furnace down. Coal. It's in here. And it's raining. What in the... Is that coming towards us? Oh no. Are we getting a tornado already? Oh, wait a minute, where is that? Oh. Oh, what the? I didn't even see that. Whoa, we're starting this off with some action. And remember, if I die by a tornado, the season's over. My last episode was like a year ago, so that is just, yeah, I don't know. I just haven't been on it in a while. I was like, hey, make an episode today, see how it goes. And there's a tornado. Get to the house. Oh my gosh. Okay. Okay. Sure. I don't even have a bunker. Okay. Alright. I see how it is. Yeah, that... Dude. Oh. Alright, I'm just gonna make a little staircase because I'm curious. And there ain't no tornado. What you talking about? Is the house already gonna get destroyed? Okay. This could be bad. Oh, we're fine. Yeah, it's not even close. I can actually go get wood. Nope! Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, no. Oh my gosh, get to the house, get to the house. Oh. Oh my gosh. Yo, quick replay. I got lifted up off the ground. Where is it? Oh my gosh, it's right here. Oh, it's an F1, it's dropping. It's okay, it's losing power. Oh, I need to get down, get down. Oh. Guys, I don't think I'm gonna make it out of this. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh my god! Oh my gosh, it's breaking everything! Dude! Did Did I just lose my house? And are we really starting off episode 4 with me having to rebuild the house? Oh, that's fine. That's actually perfect. I needed to rebuild it anyway. Oh, dude. You can't be serious right now. Oh. What? Oh, what the? It started up again. What the heck? Oh, what? Where is it? Oh, shoot. It's chucking blocks over there. Yeah, let's run towards the tornado. That's... yeah, definitely do that. No, but I do want to see it. Where? So you can see on the mini-map where it left its path. But... I think it did. I think it died. No, I still hear the sirens. Oh, shoot. There it is. Oh, shoot. I think it's my shaders. Oh, whoa. It's still very active. I should not be doing this. Alright. We're going to approach the wild tornado. Because we're storm chasers, of course. Oh my gosh. Okay. Look at that. Oh, okay, I see. It's one of those little twisty ones. You see it's going from here, and it's twisting down right there. Very tiny tornado across. The house could have been destroyed way worse, but yeah, we survived. Alright, so that's moving past us. That's cell. Alright. That's like... okay, I love... this mod is cool because just... I don't know why. I've always... like... tornadoes in Minecraft. Just like... I don't know, realistic weather like that. That just... it's pretty cool. Yeah, so that... that was a fun way to start off the episode. Oh my gosh. Just... have the windows get broken, so I gotta get more... now I gotta repair... oh, what? I thought that was leaves. Uh-oh. Hey, bro. Alright. So, yeah. Oh my gosh. Creeper, no. Not welcome here. So... glass. Gotta get glass again. It ripped off the stairs. I'm surprised it didn't take the walls out. I guess it wasn't strong enough. I guess since it was a F1, it couldn't pull wood planks. It's interesting. And I think if it's a F3 or F4, it actually manages to, I think it rips cobblestone and stone once it gets to that, but, we were lucky enough to not get that, so that's good. Whoa. So now you can see it's a F0, just dying, so that's good. Yeah, wow, it... man, now I gotta rebuild all this. Alright, there we go. Got this rebuilt, but yeah, what I wanted to do, the plan was, before I had to just repair the house, I'm thinking, so last time I just wanted to get a starter house, you know, move out of the hole in the ground that I lived in for a while, the start of the series. Why does this look wrong? Because I was thinking it's like not. I put the glass too low. That's probably what I did. Yeah. So gonna make it taller. Also bigger. Throughout the episode, we're just gonna improve it. You know, make it like an actual nice home you can live in. And another creeper. Oh shoot. Hey boy. You. What the heck is that? That's dirt? What? Why does it look like that? I do this so they don't spawn in here. Bro. Zombie. Come on now. Just ruin my... Get out of here. No one loves you, bro. Alright. This video is probably going to be like... it might be boring to some people because it's just going to be like building. And also... Nah, I'm not going to say that. Because everyone builds unique. So, we're going to go for a very basic house. You know, basic roof, all that. So, what I'm going to do... we're going to cut to harvesting wood montage. Whoa, 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 what is that? Oh, that just touched ground. Oh. We have an F-Zero coming straight for the house already. Oh. This has to be player tracking. I saw it touch over there. Oh my gosh, this is picking up fast. It's at F1 already. Dude, no, stop. Stop. That's a head-on collision. No, stop. Actually, bro, no, stop, bro, no. Oh no, get the house. What are you doing? Bro, it's already here. What? Stop. No, they could probably pick up cobblestone. Oh. No, stop. Please. Bro, no. Bro, I'm begging. No, stop. Actually. No, please, bro. I just repaired the house. Like, come on. Hello? Oh, shoot. No. Let's go. Bro, I'm just gonna have to build a house out of titanium. Like, I mean, what the heck, dude? Oh, it's here. And it... No, no. No, dude, no. No. The coast clear. The roof is still on. Okay, the roof is still on. That's good. Oh, that's cobble. What am I doing? Okay. Is it still here? Oh my gosh, chill, chill. Oh, it's right there. Oh my gosh, what am I doing? Oh, it's strong. Okay, it's dying, but it reached F2. Trying to see if we could see it. Whoa, it's pulling me in. Whoa. Okay, as you can see, I'm fighting against it. Wait, is it coming back? Oh my gosh, it's coming back. No. Stop. Stop. Oh my gosh. Wait. Oh yeah, look at all the blocks. Oh my. Look at those blocks fly. Wait, no, is that actually coming back? I was joking. No, I don't think it can do that. So, apparently, the F1, or it might have reached F2. Look at that, it's strong enough to pick up cobble. Oh my, yeah, whoa. Oh, that's sandstone. But yeah, it like, so it can't pick up a lot of blocks. Like, whenever it reached the house, it's probably at F1, because it didn't pick up a lot of blocks. But, wow. It actually picked up cobblestone. That's concerning. And yes, I know in the mod configs you can turn that off. But, like, I just have it set to default right now. And then in season 2 we'll go like extreme mode where like nothing is safe. Wow. 2 tornadoes in episode 4. Episode 4 is like just trying to build a house and struggling out here. And so like obviously I'm not gonna go for, you know, the most best looking house ever. Because again, the reason I don't really care what the house, I mean, you know, it has to have a living arrangement. But it doesn't really matter what the house looks like, because it's pretty much a survival shelter for a tornado. Because like, it's always gonna hit the house. I think these things have player tracking. Because that was a head-on collision again. Also, you were going in the basement for sure. Actually, how you craft one of these? This. I need gold. Can I make one? Let's see, do this. Oh, it's kind of mid. Yeah, no. Okay. Well. I guess this is gonna have to cobblestone. Oh, it doesn't matter. It gets sucked up. So, okay. This roof. Let's see, that's 3 blocks high. I don't know. It feels way too cramped. Alright, so I'm gonna take this roof out. And then I think, what am I gonna do? I'm gonna make the windows correct, because they're like positioning that don't seem right. I don't know, it's just like, yeah, this, I don't know, or maybe I might just make it 3 blocks high. Could do that. So yeah, this house right here, I was just working with materials I had. Now that I got some wood and some planks and stuff, we can mess around with it. Storage is probably gonna go in the basement, because I'm not trying to have my chest just get sucked up and like I lose everything, because that'd be pretty bad. Just like, oh yeah, where's all my chests? Just go in the forest and I have to go look for them. That would suck, because it I don't think it breaks the chest. It might. I might have to. We'll test it. Put a chest and we'll see if it picks it up with items in it, because I think that matters. Okay, so I got that done. Oh wait, you know what else I could do? I could probably get a Tinker's Construct. Get that starting up. Yeah. Because if I get a Tinker's Construct going, I could get clear glass, and ooh, it looks so much better. Yeah, I could probably do that. Let's see, how much... Okay, I got sand. Do I have gravel? Dang, I don't have gravel. Let's see, what waypoints do I have? Home, ravine. Go to ravine. No gravel. This ravine. What the? What is this lighting? Oh, there we go, rendered. Oh, clay, I need that. No gravel. Alright. Back to the surface. Maybe over here at my... That's home too. Let me go to the original, the OG. Got all this sand. Oh, gravel though. Yeah, I found some gravel. Only 3. Hey, we'll take it. I'm gonna keep looking for some more. Okay, so I'm back at the redwood biome from like episode 1, and I found some gravel in the water. Wow, I cannot see that. Wow, that did not help. It is so dark. What the... Do I have any, Nope. Got no light source. But I can check what the weather is, so that's cool. Look at that. Clear. Absolutely nothing. Also, here's some lava on the left. Alright, so let's put this here, because this is where I'm going to be hanging out most of the time. All this away. Alright, so I got the gravel. This should be enough. Let's see. Turn this into blocks, but I think it's this. I don't have the sand in my inventory. What am I doing? Cook. Okay. Grab the sand. You know, that's probably important. Clay in the middle. Sand around. Gravel. Yep, there we go. Got the grout. Alright, perfect. Cook this. Alright, this is good. This is really good. Put this mess away because I don't need that. And time to build the house. So let's see. I want to... Taller. Wait, do I have wands in here? Nope. I think I've already checked that before. Okay, so we'll do that. Alright, so that's good for that. I'm not gonna add the I'm not gonna actually build the second floor yet because I don't really need a second floor, I'm being real. Let's see, how did I do it on this side? Yeah, all the way to the bottom. Climb up here with me, yeah, do that. Real smart. Do it again, you won't? Obviously you will, your AI is designed to do that. Dead. Really? Trash talking a spider, bro. What am I doing? Alright. This up. Alright, this looks It looks basic. I like it. Super basic. The most basic Minecraft house you ever seen. Okay. Now this is gonna suck, but I gotta do it. Oh. No. I don't have anything with Soak Touch. No. Oh, this hurts. All this. The good thing is it gives you shards though, so it's not. I mean, you lose. Wow. Yeah, I mean, yeah, you lose a little bit, but not nearly as bad. Okay, maybe I shouldn't have broken that because I'm kind of a no, a three would look better. Yeah, that looks way better. Okay. Maybe the side ones I'll do the put the wood. Yeah. So this is like, you know, your basic vanilla Minecraft house. Yeah, and then we'll do this, the top. Now, honestly, I'm just gonna do all like glass walls. So we're gonna, man, I'm setting it up for this to always break. These walls are this glass is always gonna get broken. Is this not the same height? Gosh darn it. Rewind that. Okay, so now after breaking the whole entire roof all over again, place that back. There we go. Much better. Wow. That only gives you a seared brick. Oh wait, no, that's how it. Yeah, that's how it works. Did not already have some seared bricks somewhere? I don't know. Maybe I do. All right, let's work up just this. And then this was a shorter and more boring episode, but I just kind of like, I mean, we had 2 tornadoes, you know, but I used up all the sand. All right, that should be enough sand. Where? I'll just make another one. Whoa, what am I doing? See, I obviously knew the rule. You make 2 furnaces. I was really about to craft another furnace. Well, I mean, I'm gonna have to anyway, but do this. Actually, no. Screw the grout. More sand. Alright, there we go. So that up there. I could work on the basement. Yeah. That's... Oh, I thought I saw a tornado. I was about. That would have sucked. It's like I just finished doing all that, and then it's like, oh yeah, by the way, a tornado. Which, I mean, that's kind of what the series is, but you know, I wouldn't want it like right now. It's kind of annoying. Oh yeah, there's this in here. Oh wait, I just remember something. If I remember correctly, it can pick up cobblestone, but it can't pick up stone or stone items. So I'm gonna have to make this basement out of like actual stone. Alright. So that should be the basement done. I'll get a chest down here because I think this might be where I put all my chests. Or no, I don't know. We'll see. Put some random stuff in here. Clean up my inventory because it is a mess. Right, you. Center, is there a center? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh yeah, okay. One, two, three, 1, 2, 3, 3, and 3. Okay, cool. Unintentionally made a perfect square. Alright, we're gonna switch these out for. Well, cobblestone stairs are still gonna go away. Oh, whatever. Gonna have to get iron doors. Alright, let's see the new and improved. Looks like. Oh my gosh. Looks like your basic Minecraft house. 2D, no definition at all. Except the doors. You know, we got a little class. We got a little bit of class with the doors. Yeah, there's no definition to this whatsoever. Like I said, we're not trying to go. It's literally, I just built a box. I just straight up built a box. And called it a home. Like, this is so tiny. Fix the hole in the floor. See, I'm gonna make that whole downstairs area this type of stone. Or actually, yeah, no, this will be the floor, and then I'll make the walls this. Yeah, I need to get cobblestone for that. Do that in the next episode, or I'll just do that off camera. Yeah, I'll do that off camera, and you'll see it in the next episode. So, I think that's gonna do it for this episode. Like I said, it's just filler, honestly. This episode's just kind of just filler. I'm just trying to like get the house finished. Just want to show that, you know, so it's not like I cut back. You're like, what the, why does the house have literally one extra block, and why is there a basement now, and like, you know. But yeah, if you enjoyed, which you probably didn't enjoy this one, let's be real. Oh shoot, and we have a storm forming. Guess that's for next time. If you did enjoy, smash the like button. If you want to continue with the series, I promise you, when there's a lot of tornadoes and storms, it gets crazy, because you look at the first few episodes and see the difference. But hey guys, like, sub, put on those notifications if you want to, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.